What up with it, YouTube? We back with another reaction video, man. Today we got my nigga Hurricane Wisdom. Let's get right into it. Now listen, I've been hearing a lot of. I don't really listen to Hurricane Wisdom. I ain't gonna lie. I know who he is. I know he hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna keep it a buck 50. We gonna start there. I'm gonna keep it a buck 50 with y'all. But I know he hard. Like I do need to tap in. Y'all ain't gotta tell me shit. I know I need to tap in, nigga. That's what I'm doing. Clearly. So that being said, let's get right into it on my mama. Okay. Okay. We starting off right. We starting off right. Let's go back. Let's go back. We were 7 seconds in. Let's go back. My nigga, for you make me mad. Wait. Nigga. Y'all seen that? Damn fly all up on me. Move, my nigga. That's the thing about these bright ass lights. They attract flies and shit. Move back. Back. Fuck, nigga. Me fucked up, nigga. Fuck. We fucked up. Niggas trying to do a video on my mama. Now back to what I was saying before I got rudely interrupted. My nigga hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. I forgot what I was even saying. Hey, my nigga hard though. You know it's times I walked away, but I ain't never ran. Ooh. I felt that. I felt that, Hurricane. I felt that, young nigga. I'm over here talking about young nigga like I ain't young. How old is this nigga Hurricane with me? Y'all put in the comments from y'all, let me know. How old is this nigga? Cause I think he younger than me. You know what I'm saying? But there's no telling. Oh, the edits in this bed different. That's hard. That's hard. His name Hurricane Wisdom, but he got a tornado in the back. That's hard. That's some different shit. Cause anybody else, oh my name Hurricane Wisdom, I'm gonna put a hurricane in the back. You dig what I'm saying? Let's keep it a buck 50. He put a tornado in the back. And if you know me personally, for all my homies, anybody that know me personally, nigga, know I like tornadoes, nigga. Hey, that's the white in me. No cap. Let's keep it a buck 50. That's the white in me right there. I like seeing shit. Now I don't want some shit to come run over my shit. You know what I'm saying? Take my setup and all my clothes and everything. Like, nah. Take my crib and shit. Nah. I don't want to get close to it. I don't want to be no damn storm chaser, but I am a weatherman. You hear me? Let's keep it a buck 50. The most chill nigga. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga, bruh. He's sitting on the stairs. His feet in like this. They ain't sitting straight. His feet in like this with some slippers on, cup in his hand, 3-5 in his wood, chilling. Most chill rapper I ever seen. Let's keep it $150. The most chill rapper. Bro. He coolin'. On my mama, you ain't gotta tell me once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. He chillin'. Man. This he just said went live, then he got his ass murked. Who he talking about, chat? Cause I'm lost. I'm blind in the motherfucker right now. Who he talking about, chat? Y'all let me know in the comments who he talk about. Went live, then he got his ass murked. Y'all let me know who he talking about, chat. Face black, then he feel like a burger. Who doing these niggas I heard of? OT on keto murder. OT on keto. This shit hard. My fault, chat, if I keep pausing it, but on my mama, I got to let you know, bro. This shit hard on my mama, bro. Like, this some shit you just want to cruise in a Maybach. Going the speed limit down the motherfucking highway, nigga. With a 3.5, you blend stars in the ceiling, just... You know, cruising, and you throw this on my mama on repeat and shit, since it's a minute 50. A little short song, but it's hard. For it to be a short song, it's hard on my mama, and it's trending. Go check that out right now on my mama. It's hard. Yeah, that, oh my God. Bussin'. His shit glistening, nigga. Damn. Hey, that motherfucker, hey, that hurricane chain, dumb. Whatever jeweler did this, dumb. I'm gonna keep it $150. Dumb. He's dumb. Like, what? Who is jeweler? Now, mind you, like I said at the beginning of the video, man, I ain't been, keeping up with Hurricane Wisdom. I know he hard, though. When I hear him, when the homies might slap him or some shit, I might hear him, in another nigga car or something, or give a nigga the ox, you know what I'm saying? He'll throw him on, you know what I'm saying? I'll be like, oh, okay, I'm vibing to this shit hard. But am I gonna lie to y'all? No. He ain't on my playlist, you know what I'm saying? He ain't on my Apple Music, my nigga. He's not. If you look up Hurricane Wisdom on my Apple Music, it's not gonna pop up. I'm gonna keep it $150. Now it's finna though. Because you know what I'm finna do. And you know what I'm finna say. Let's add him to the playlist on the say. Oh my mama, he hard, but that shit busting on my mama. Yeah. Hurricane Wisdom. He came up quick. You doing your shit, nigga. Keep it up. You doing your shit, nigga. Keep it up. You doing your shit, my nigga. You gonna be bigger than big. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your shit, my nigga. You blowing up. You came through the roof, my nigga. No Boss Man D-Lo, nigga. No Big X the Plug, my nigga. You came through the roof. You came up fast. Keep doing your shit, young nigga. On my mama, 150.
I came back running with some top shotters. I paid them top dollars, living like a rough rider. They locked him up for violence. He came back like a survivor. Yeah.